Hi, this is the demo video for the Studdie. The Studdie is a tool that helps find and create the perfect study group for you and helps you to keep it active. In this demo, I'll take you through the features we've implemented to help you achieve your study goals. First, we're on the landing page, which has our slogan, broaden your scope, broaden your network, broaden your mind. Let's go ahead and hit join and register a new account. When an account is created, it asks for your name and email. Let's go ahead and register. And when you register, it brings you to the login page where you can go ahead and log in. And when you log in, it brings you to your profile and where you're able to manage many different things. Here, the user can manage their courses, personal information, access the scheduler to set their availability. They can also manage their listings or invitations on the left panel, but right now there aren't any for this new user. Listings or posts users can make for a given course in order to highlight specific ones for your study needs. Invitations are created when a member of a study group invites the user to join the group. And we'll come back to the left panel later. So let's go ahead and add some additional information about ourselves, such as our Discord tag. Hit save, and then also our school information and our time zone information. And we see the updates here immediately when that happens. This lets other users on the app get to know us more. We can also set our availability with a scheduler. This allows other users to see our weekly availability to see if we have compatible study times, and allows our group feature to decide a meeting time later. And we'll see that later. Let's go ahead and say my availability is these times. And hit save. And so now let's go ahead and add the courses I'm taking this quarter so that I can start finding study buddies, listings, and study groups. Let's go ahead and add these courses I am in. Let's say I'm taking linear algebra, human anatomy, computer science, introduction to computer science, and then also sociology class. And we can see that there isn't a sociology class here yet, but we can go ahead and create a course for our first time on this site. So we can enter sociology. Also enter some class keywords, and now create the course, and now it's been created. And so we can also go, after we add our courses, we can go and see the course view here to see more information about our courses, and we can also remove the course if we're no longer taking it here. So let's say it dropped to Introduction to Computer Science, and I hit remove course, and now it's gone. So great, now that we've added our courses, let's go ahead and click on the classes tab. So sociology is brand new, but for linear algebra, we can see that we have potential study buddies who are students enrolled in the same course, and any listings for the course. If I click on a user's name, I could see their profile information, their current classes they're taking, their contact information, their additional information. And then I can also invite them to a group of mine, but I'm currently not in a group. So I can also go and view listings for this course, and I can also make a listing if I would like to. And we can see that there's a listing for West Coast kids, but maybe I want a group for linear algebra for East Coast kids. So I can use this search feature here, and there's nothing about East Coast. So now I can go ahead to the groups tab, where I can create a new group as well as manage any of the groups I'm in. So let me go ahead and make a group called East Coast LA for linear algebra, create a group, and now we can see now I'm in a group. I create a new group with myself in it. The group meeting time is just my availability since I'm the only one here. And so now we can return back to the classes page and invite people to this group, as well as make any listings for it in order to advertise it. So let's go ahead and let's say we can invite Violet Brady to this invite. So invitation sent to East Coast LA, and let's go ahead and advertise this as well. I can tag my group, and we can see now there is a listing here broadcasting that my group is looking for East Coast kids. And let's say I want to find some other groups I can join as well, maybe from a human anatomy class. And so I click on human anatomy, and I see, oh, there is a listing here for a group here for East Coast kids. So great, I'm gonna go click on the group page, and they're meeting at a time that I'm also available. So great, everything looks great. So you press join group, and now I've sent a request to join a group, and they can accept or decline my request. Now let's say some time has passed and I go back to my profile. I can see my left panel has some things going on now, so I can update, close the listing I made, and I can also accept or decline any invitations I may have received. So maybe I only want 3 people only, so I can go ahead and update my listing like that, and now it's been updated. And earlier I already requested to join an anatomy group, so I can go ahead and decline that, and we can see it disappears now. Now I don't have any pending invitations. And I can also update my availability if that has changed. This will dynamically update the group meeting time for a group if any of the group members' availabilities change. So let me go ahead and update my availability. So maybe I'm available on Thursdays now as well, and hit save. And let me also go manage my group now that I created earlier. So I can see there's a request to join my group, so I'll go ahead and approve that. And I can also see that the meeting time has changed because I updated my availability, and Tom is also available at Thursday at 12 a.m. as well. So that is now the new meeting time. And also the final functionality that the slate provides is a search users feature. So if you want to look for any user, you can look them up and view their profile and view all of their information. That concludes all of the features and actions available on the Studdie. Thanks.